My name is Likitra. I am studying grade 4.
Tell me now. First one, 222. Again 222. 444.
888.
Next one, 444. Again 444. Minus 666.
222.
Next one, 888. Minus 555. Plus 444.
737.
Next one, 333. 444. Minus 666.
111.
Next one, 999. Minus 888. 444.
555.